Hi, Michael.
Hi, Frost. Hi, everyone.
Hi, everyone. I'm Frost Lee, founder of Loup'd AI, and today we have Michael, who actually heads all our data and machine learning efforts at Loop, here to talk about video attribution in general and how all these revenue, user sign up, and ROI analysis on our dashboard actually come into reality for you. Hi, Michael. Would you like to introduce yourself a little bit to the audience?
Sure. As Frost said before, I am an engineer at Loop that works on our analytics, our AI, and our dashboards. I've been working in the data e-commerce space for nearly a decade, and I'm really excited to talk to everyone today.
Yeah, Michael has always been super humble. Prior to Loop, he actually was heading all the experimentation framework at wish.com that served 500 million plus active users at the same time. So super appreciating his time today to talk about the numbers. So Michael, can you just walk us through really quick about a very high level? How do we do attribution for the videos?
Sure, of course. So to begin with, attribution, what is it? At its heart, attribution is linking the final purchase a user makes with a high intent action that occurs prior to the purchase and making sure that that link is tight and makes sense and is logical and stands up to scrutiny. So our analytics tracks all our customers' key interactions, combines them to ensure that we can understand the connections from the start of the user journey down to the final conversion at checkout. To do that, we capture key high intent moments during the user journey, such as when they RSVP to a live show, or the moment that they play a video, or even when they click on a marketing email. Once we have that tracking, this data helps us ensure that later on, if the user makes a purchase, we can properly attribute it to the earlier event. This is the heart of attribution.
Yeah, Michael. So basically, we are collecting all these user activities together and decide what is the key action that leads to a purchase or a user sign up. Can you go a little bit deeper of when you are showing all these numbers on dashboard? Like how can people just like easily see how can they drive these kind of key actions easier in the future?
Of course. Well, to start with, our attribution is very comprehensive. So we incorporate all sorts of data from user RSVPs, emails, sharing links, impressions, and clicks data, all kinds of actions that users take on your site and outside of your site. And this way, no matter how the user arrived at checkout, we can distill that into a journey that offers useful data insights. And this reflects in our dashboards. So we offer lots of ways to slice and dice and view this data. So at the very high level, we show revenue numbers and associated stats like average order value and number of add to carts. To break it down further, you can see revenue sliced by marketing channels. So you know which methods of driving traffic to your content has paid off the most, allowing you to optimize and strategize your efforts over time. Even further, we offer breakdowns by content tags, so you can tag your videos, and then that lets you understand like what types of content your users are interested in, and you can offer breakdown by hosts and things like that. And down to the most granular level, we offer breakdowns by individual videos and by individual purchasers. So you can see with very, very precise detail the fruits of your content creation.
That's super cool. Actually, I think what is even cooler is with all this data, before even we run a very comprehensive A/B testing and with all these manual operations, I have to then select a winner, update the website, and the cycle is just very, very labor heavy. But Michael, we automatically use these numbers to present the relevant personalized information for every single visitors. And while it sounds magical, can you talk a little bit more about how we are doing this and how do we make sure it is always the most effective ones?
Yeah, I think that's like the ultimate final step in leveraging analytics, right? It's when you can leverage analytics and data to automatically improve your content and the way it's placed. So all the analytics I mentioned earlier is also fed into our AI recommendations model. And what this model does is it continuously learns and improves from the data, and it makes sure that when it comes time to select a video or a live show to show to a customer, we place it in the optimal spot in front of the right customer to achieve the highest conversion. specifically means anything from pop-ups to marketing emails to product page carousel videos to related links embedded in pages. All of these things benefit over time from the analytics that we collect for you. And this creates a virtuous cycle, which means that the more content you create and the more users you drive to that content, the more useful and optimized your entire content library becomes.
Yeah, we understand how precious it is for every single impression. And what Micheal described is really to make the maxed use of every single visitors, every impression on your site. Super cool. Thank you so much for the overview. Micheal, is there any last recommendations you would have about how to utilize data analytics and dashboard for increasing video effectiveness?
Yeah, I would say always look at the numbers, always try to see it from a new perspective and find angles to look at it from which might offer new insights.
Yeah, absolutely. I think getting the feedback and generate insights, that feedback to strategy has always been how we close the loop for the users in their decision-making process of purchases. Thank you so much, Micheal, and thanks for listening. Thank you.
Thank you,
Bye-bye.
Ross. Bye.